Microwave TV.
They need them not too good. But come grandma talk to you. This is 2085. Look back on things when me archive.
You see, at the same rhythm, we just want to hear that. Now, your artist, something look like it a cook up. Mega.
Boy. Me say me come to talk the things them. Come here, Nicki Minaj. Come here, Foxy Brown. Come here, ladies.
Grandfather, no.
Something sound like it's a cook up, don't?
Yeah, man, something I cook up, man. I'm like the father thing going at the grandfather vibes too.
Yeah, man,
it's a good start. It's a good start.
Me say something I cook up.
Boy. Me say me come to talk the things them.
Yeah.
Come here, Nicki Minaj. Come here, Foxy Brown. Come here, ladies.
Oh, boy.
You know what? I feel like the song right already. That's just what I think. So
I think the song right. The man, then artist and write 3 songs already. Three.
my love, the internet not good again. Plus bring a enter.
Right.
Bring a
Artist, you like the intro.
plus bring a make fair entrance on top of that, my love.
Jaja.
Cause them have the queen at hip hop, them have the queen at hip hop.
I think we're going into a very good festive week this week. You know, the summer is bright. It's gonna be a very good summer.
Let me tell you guys what you should do, like young bloggers. Yeah, celebrity, I like that. The internet is interneting. Who is this? Let me tell you what you guys should do. So RT, me here, so one time we did the interview. Everybody have web on them page a stream with. Them the live but a stream this year live. So you see how them wicked and make them money, then they walk on this way.
That
We make the money.
Remember when you fuck Addy? Killer did suck your ninja man's tuki bati. Remember when you fuck Addy? Killer did suck your tuki bati.
God. Nazareth. Well, pick up Queen Africa. You get back a bus. Nothing say you're going to sting, large up yourself, Queen. No, I'm sure it's not right to just accept it.
with all that said, Queen Africa is sting-worthy. Watch the know Miss Bling out. What that they give you?
No minds. No, Jesus, what that mean?
Thank you, Father's Day gift for me. I'm Bling. Thank you.
What is that called? Me never see it, or what?
Universe wheel.
Okay.
At first, me I see it, but never see it.
Alright, we send some Father's Day gift to RT, yeah, man. Let me get some. Because since there's an argument, gift him so I can get off of him. Come on, my side.
Bling.
Huh?
Bling, I have something to tell you.
Tell me.
Bling. Remember good no? Nicki Minaj give you 10 grand for do your body. Foxy Brown, remember borrow the money. That song you drop. That song you go drop after what she named the do her interview. Me I drop it today. It named Blender.
Nurse Brown over here, no?
And who is in the song? Foxy Brown, Nicki Minaj, Sensei,
Lady song.
Lady Sa, Wow, and Missy Elliott, international mix-up. Blender.
So RT, I know you're a man of substance and credibility. So whatever you're going to say in these songs, they're actually factual.
Yeah, factual, because when
sir.
Nicki Minaj earfare
Just want to make that clear.
Yeah, when Nicki Minaj earfare part, when Foxy earfare part, when everybody earfare their own part, because that's something when we can prove.
And you would have had receipt because you're very close to
I don't put out nothing without receipt.
Okay, thank you, sir. Yes.
This is where you have to clearly understand.
Yes.
I'm why you understand. You see the song where you hear? It's not me alone sing it.
Okay.
Me and Spy sing the song. That is where we never fret about. How me and Spy sing the song? You remember all the voice note and the things them we talk about? Okay, so we discuss it in the song. So everything me say, she answer back. So you're going to hear she in the song. So me and her in the song. But me is the old man, she is the granddaughter.
Oh, that's very interesting. I mean, like, I think it's gonna be dope. You know? Yeah. You need RT boss and kind of anything where y'all is have received. That's what I'm sure about. You ever have received, no matter what, who y'all is coming to receive.
Ed. So I'm going
Thank you,
to.
Diana.
Guys, look here, people on TikTok. We need 4,000 donuts. We have so many people here who can send the donuts. Recharge and send the donuts.
What? I am not. As far as there, I have two beautiful daughters, and I am celebrating. You know, I'm not a gilding. So I have a smile.
Bling your freeze, bling your freeze.
Me no freeze. Me no freeze.
Celia, I have a smile.
Me
As
no
far as there.
freeze.
Make the call.
And with there, I will chat with Miss Bling. I'm my favorite personality on the app. And a Father's Day, I could ask a better gift.
Blingas is going to make a call. Somebody just give her something. You ready,
Thank you,
Blingas?
Michelle.
All right, mute. Blingas is going to make a phone call. Mute.
Bluetooth.
Next. Next.
Hold on.
Thank you, Bella. Thank you.
Listen, the lady under the live I watched, the lady just click the end button. The lady I watched the live. Boss, me not get nobody. Spice, put gift, roses, roses.
What a way, Mama sit down and I watch. Bling! What a way she and I watch.
Spice, Wyatt.
Spicy, I keep up, Mama. Bumbo clad. Good girl. I saw you go table turn, your dirty blood clad. Me then at the media now. I saw you go. God, you never know God will put me here, so. Your blood clad. That's where you go.
Gracie, why you say Shelly fuck John? Shelly never fuck John. Tell her why you say it. Cause we no say a lie no, Mama. Anyway, large percent for your Spice. Go over a little more the Spice, may I come. Go over a little more, left my little space.
Watch out to know.
Love.
All right, so what's up with the interview? 30 minutes behind.
Let me see what going. Yes, on TikTok. Queen. So I'm a live queen of TikTok. But I'm gonna eat some of that then now. God no. Tired. You must try.
So bestie, when you see me not broke out hungry and for all these years me live a house with one transi. So you see me good. You see it? The moral of the story is, me gonna ask on the bestie one important question. I don't know if you can answer me. See if you can help me out. Why your queen can't keep a man? And they have it saying anybody with miserable we can't keep man so they get trouble. We think we need to help her find a man. And when people not get no good fuck, they're miserable. So I think she wants some good cocky. So we need to find a queen a good wood. What do you think? Bling, where you there? You not hear me? Why everybody mute?
Auntie, I wonder if she can pay me. As
Well, first of all, you're no bad man. You know,
I'm in a tall. They're 5'8".
and you're not Indian.
Jesus Christ. Spice love bad man. That is interesting.
One thing I can tell her though, even though she come and I have to say something because I want to say something because I'm in a spot where me do review mix up with bling, and even though she come with her mix up, me not go pass it and that's what me I say. But the end of the day is it is what it is with the Spice, and even if me right now I talk about it, me can't help her. I wish if me couldn't help her because Jamaica done with she in the sense of Spice, the people them just tired of Spice, and that is what it is. The flavor, the touch where the people them used to feel for Spice, it take time and drift away, and not them hate her, I don't know personal. It's just that them feel like a time now for somebody else, you know, it just change. But you feel like say as she make the people them change, you know, the people them just naturally change and her behaviors now start show her up. You know, Spice broke. At 117 now where the interview there. All of the best is them. You know, one thing I like today when you hear me say she broke. Me broke too, but she broke her.
Jaja.
Broke her. You feel me? Me say sometime I go back and me look. DJ, one time I go back and look and me say look on the best time when me and Spice apart, she have faces and laces. She have the channel. She have the restaurant. She have 2 restaurants.
She have a store in Aligani? No, in Aligani.
Halfway through, Kansas.
Yeah, we go to the store there already, yeah.
Everything did have gone good. People talk it truth now, man. The girl did have gone good when me and her apart. Just the girl just dirty and everything. Right now, when she left me, she go open Gracie, go Nosa, go Rasa, go Nosa, go Rasa, go Rosa, Sanosa. And 2, if she did run me, that's a Gracie do not name the place, so because Jamaican people not good for pronunciation myself. The name alone is a turn off. When we used to come out with the Gracie, but Nosa, no Nosa, I say that nobody not Grace, no Nosa, no way.
One to the clothing line, Artie. Something like that Gakator or whatever.
No, listen to me. If I was advising Spice, I would tell her do not put out a clothing line because Jamaica habitually say you never look good yet. So for you to put on a clothing line, nobody not because you don't have no reputable clothes file.
I want to dig with the RT, you're going to talk it truth. Yeah, whether you love it or not, you're going to talk it truth. Yeah, you're going to talk it truth.
You know, I have no reputable clothes file. So you don't need to sell clothes, sell wig because everybody know you.
Yes, wig, she should not go in there. Yes, wig. If she did the wig, she should do better with that wig.
Even the idea when she bleach out herself, my idea, you know, but nothing want to bash me for one thing when me come back and say, want to bash me for everything. But me feel like she dance, but didn't want she become. My invention was she's supposed to become the first Michael Jackson of Jamaica, and that would have worked, but she just get cold feet in the long run because that should have been it. She should have white. If she did white now, me that collect money wouldn't have no problem. She just follow the same people that when I like her and tell her, say, she's a black girl, shouldn't bleach. The amount of money she did collect now, if she did just blood clot, listen to me, and go through with the injection. But you make the people, Spice broke right now. I shall get any money. But anyway,
and she makes much plaque. That no.
What kind of plaque? Let me ask you a question. Spice in a Lumiatic? No. Spice have no hit song over there in America now when they on the chart? No. So what kind of money she have?
True. Sometimes when you sell the record, you get royalties right through, like a night June.
No, sir. Let me tell you something about dancehall. Let me tell you something with dancehall. Every song when Spice put out, she only collect for the stage show. She don't business about no producing. She come talk the other day and she tell you no. Say every song when she do, all she interested about is to put out a song and then she collect on the stage show. It's copyright and them something that Spice not interested in them nothing there.
Oh. Because it's only the RT.
Producer get. So it's like the producer get all of that. So if me, say for example.
All right, Bossy.
You go with me, I'm going.
Talk what you say, then you're done. No, Beggar, may I go make you jump?
Yeah,
I see where you're gone. Call up Poland there. Pink Nation, may I go make you jump? I see drop off. What?
Everybody drop off.
What is? Okay. Me like to take down people. I don't know where RT gone. RT, where you gone? Okay. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, tall up in the building. Tall up, large up yourself.
Alright, morning. Me not a club in a car. I don't know I'm pregnant and them something about.
Yeah,
A lot of
congratulations.
people, thanks. A lot of people wonder how me reaching at this. And how me this and how me that. Number one, how me reach me been in at this from day one. Me might be never always around because my life and destiny was a different road me trod than for my sister, but I was there from the beginning and me there till the end. So a lot of people are say, oh, me come in. And as Miss Lady say, our big brother, yes, me is the big brother, the sister, and the everything. When roast turkey by Louise Bennett one call me. So at the end of the day, I have to be Danger mouthpiece because as one say, Danger can't explain herself. And me are the artist, so I know to break it down and drop lyrics. So your mouth loud spice and my mouth loud. So guess what now? Roast turkey. Me can talk. Remember me afraid of? And I me no want answer. And my name I no want call. Because you claim say if I call my name, you go give me highlight. You can't give me no highlight more than what me create for myself. And me no want no highlight for you. Because you bring up back this argument. You took the idea from my T song and you bring up back this old stale argument. We all know who you are talking about. You understand? Everybody will know the situation, know say you drop Danger because you claim say your ears say she take your man. You understand? So this is not about no more because everybody just know that story there. And you say you not deal with the Moa and your friend and your man because them know say they were together before and them never tell you. So that are the more story where you can talk. That not have nothing to do with the situation. Okay then, you say you not call no name. But when Danger come out and answer, because anybody would feel a way about the situation and feel like say them. Danger come out and answer then and say something on our story. Why you never say Danger no you me attack, you know, because it touches. You understand? Why you never say no you me attacking the Danger, you confirm it. And you go for your life, and you do a full life, and you say yes. You know what you do, and you go down in night. Because unfortunately, you alone have to play a victim, and you alone for always go for your life and go for your pulpit and preach to your wicked sheep them. Say you're nice, say you're this, say you're that, and nobody not have no story with you. You're the most evilest woman. Every time I try to forgive you, a wicked woman. Remember, say, no, me, you do nothing to you, know. And me, I do it to you, know. You do it to my sister, but me take it. You do things to my sister, and me take it up personally. And there's a lot of other things where you do in regards of me. And me not really pay it no mind because notice that me always show you respect. Even when me I do my song them or me I do nothing. I never tell you about your mama. Me never come disgrace you. Me never come talk certain things about you. Me always keep it musical and me always show respect to you. But at this moment, me just feel like say, me no want hold my mouth again. Like me no want. Me just want let it go. And when we just let it go right as now, as when me say me want Danger come now and just talk our mind and then we just let it be right as so because when all of this are going, you know, we never get the chance yet to really go up on the platform and really explain ourselves. Danger never really explain herself, good or nothing. So as when me tell her say, she just need to just no hold back nothing because Spice now hold nothing and she add on and take off and she not talk the story them properly. You understand? She not talk the story them properly and how no story go. But Spice, you need to let it go. It's you start this. Why do people them feel to understand say you is a troublemaker? This is how you promote music. You have been doing it this way. I don't know who direct you. I don't know who tell you which way to do it. You have been doing music, doing controversy, and then you drop music because the first thing you came out and said is, me not You no not to worry because you no not buy the song. Me go make the group and when you no buy the song, me talk the things them. I saw you desperate. Is so you desperate lady? Okay, me a iron balloon and me this and me that. You understand? So why you go pick up the iron balloon idea and come back and come and do? Long time quality, a job quality from people. Nobody no want to hear that. You say I hear business and nobody business. But if you the job things and involve people that was around you, it's our business. And if we feel like to say and speak upon it, we have all right to say and speak whatever we want to speak upon it. If the stone fling a liquid and we feel like we say something about it, we go say something about it because the world know what I want and the world know how you stay. And now we make you can't find a comeback. You can't find a song. You can't find nothing. Why you not try to do music the right way then, lady? Why you not just do music the right way and pay attention to your career then? Since we are not nobody, since nobody can do nothing for you, since them are people you know this you know want call we name and we not exist you know look no hype for we. Why you go drop a song like that knowing it's going to create a controversy? If you are not looking towards controversy, I am mind your business. Why did you do a song like that? That the song the way you do, it's still late. Me don't do that already. That's late. That is late. That late. Why you never answer at the time when the whole tea time they drop then? Fan them time there. Why you never come out and make it be known and say what you say and do things then from them the time there? Look how much error pass and you come with this. Why you never talk your story from them time the blinger when you claim to say danger take your man? From them long time they did. Why you never when it went bust out? Remember said this happened 3 years ago. Remember RT come live already and RT and you get down the night and go down. And you never answer him. And you never say what you have to say. And you never let it out. And you never make no song. So why no you want to make we know your business. We're not interested. You understand? Why no you want to stir up all of this? Tell me how it makes sense now. No, right now in this era. What you say you do? Why it makes sense? Which part of it makes sense? Because it don't make no sense. And if we and everybody have a story, so since you go come and feel like you want to create your narrative, we not create no narrative, you know. We not create no narrative because me not look nothing for nobody. Me take my time and chuckle me way go through and take me little time and butter go through. You understand? In the first place, you come and make you look like danger is this fucker girl and we come run you for fuck. If danger when you take nobody, I could do canal. Out of the amount of man where you take, why danger one canal? What canal have to do with danger? Why you pin him pan danger? Why you have to canal? You trace canal high, you trace canal low. You class the man high, you class the man low. The man, you say the man have nothing to give. And the man this and the man that. You know much time can I call my phone and tell me things about the woman and if me went so much interested into bringing a vibes, me could have come out and call the man name and talk the things them where the man has say. Me no business about that. Me a stick to the situation. The danger incident will happen from them time there. It me not like spice still no. If me want enough for my business stay, I'm supposed to know. I'm supposed to know. Nobody can tell me what me fit enough or when me not inner. Danger my sister by blood, same mother, same father. Why me not supposed to unite? Why me not supposed to unite? Me did always unite. Me did always unite. You get me? As I say, she say, let me take it. I remember. She say, with your mobby, we meet this woman, she get a booking for a show. And we meet her. I want show, and we mash up the show. We meet her them time there. Anyways, at the same time, Harville Expression, them did call Danger. I mean, I know how it go, but Danger did get the opportunity to go town them time there. In a expression dancers. Me never did a go, cause me run track, my go school, me did get scholarship them time there. So during them time there, me never did a go, but it was in the December them time then at the holiday time, so me coulda go. Cause school never started. So Danger say me fi come with her because me and her sister and you know we have the style them together, should I feel comfortable. Anyways, me go with her. And at the same time, Spice did I go use Stacey Expression them group to promote. Cause them time the member she and Sher them did just fall out. We end up there Kingston them time there. And with around the team and everything. I never she tell Stacey if we put we up. As Stacey put we up. We did it somewhere before and then we end up somewhere after. I think it was a girl named Tasha or something. We did a couple places before, but if a Spice alone we never get put up. Spice ever interested to put we up. You understand? We did have to battle we way through to make sure so we get the opportunity because everybody knows say as bad as you be after the Kingston because of this so the promotion ground there. And that the entertainment ground. You have to in the happenings. You get to me I try tell you say so we end up on the road and I do it thing. And me end up leave little bit after, as me say, me never stay long there. Me end up leave little bit after. So a lot of things will take place. A lot of things will take place and go down. Me never there around because honestly, if I was around for my little sister, this a situation here would occur. It could happen. Me I telling you the truth. It never did go happen. Because me was the one who did it, they protect my sister. Me was the one who did it, they overlook so much things. You understand? So this a situation I would have never happen. I'm just sorry happen or it happen. And at the end of the day, everybody has say, why she never talk at the time or why she never report it. Everybody is different. Danger was 19 years old when it happened. And when it happened, the man threatened Danger and tell Danger say, if she talk, him a go make sure say, them hurt me because them time them did their Kingston too. He make sure say they him a go make man hurt me and my other cousin where did they round them time there. You understand? And he make man call Danger phone and threaten Danger and say, why am I going to do for why am I going to do? Danger is young. As well Danger says she want to go to Spice at the time, but she don't know how to go. You get me? The whole thing happened. And when Spice and RT was back and forth, the man come out and say, him fuck Danger. That's how this whole thing even bring up back. When him know within himself what take place with him and Danger. You understand? Because him feel to say one up on Spice or me no know what kind of hype him did a look. But Danger take her loss and come back a mobile. Nothing never go on for Danger. Nothing never did a go on for Danger. Danger taking lose and come back a mobile. And no still not satisfied. Uno still never satisfied with that. Because in a this time, you know, you come back and you still want bury Danger. Oh, I cannot left this thing alone. Why you not left this thing alone? Danger ball to you, Danger explain to you. Danger, you reason about this already and not talk about this and you claim say you believe then. So if you say you believe or you let it go, why you come back now and say Danger take your man? When you been done say you believe. I hear say you work with you now. I hear say you work with just like me. and everybody else. Because I only danger and the man did in the room. So if I hear say I work with, why when you're here at the time, me just want to ask you as a mother, a mentor that you was to danger, and her boss, why when the situation when go down, why you never be the bigger person as the artist you are? This happened under your provision and supervision then. Why you never say, danger, me ear say, this go down, or the man attack say this happen, and me ear back. What happen? Why you never give her the chance to explain herself and ask her what happened? At the time, you drop her from the group knowing that you were her only income. You drop her and you never ask no explanation. And you say you hold where you hold because you hear it from good source. What kind of woman are you? Oh, me for rate you. And that before the rape allegation come out, because danger still never come back, come out, come talk about nothing. You know, when danger decide to talk, when Canard come out and say, a beating chest say, in fuck done danger, in fuck out danger Europe, in which you know to your heart, in which you know to your heart what you do. You know say you got the room and cut the key because you're acting as Spice manager at the time. And you get a different key. You know, cut the key, you get a different key. And the little girl asleep, you're going pan the little girl. You're going pan the little girl. Matters not danger strong, you star what. The girl did a ease up you. The girl did a wrestle with you. You junk and you went in pan the little girl and you threat the little girl say, you know Spice stay and Spice now go believe. And you anyhow, she try fi no make this happen, or she try fi fight you or whatever. One way you go do. Because of your woman for years, you know she stay and she not go believe, and one way you go do. And you hold on the little girl and check the little girl and talk about what you go make happen to me and what you go make happen to who and who. And you rape the little girl. You rape the little girl. You rape the little girl. And then after that, you try blackmail the little girl. Because you still when I call danger and I try to link up with danger after that. Can I call you and me ask you what happened? And you say no go so. Because you know how me take my sister serious. You know how me take my sister and my family serious. Me call you. And me say, can I what go done? And you say, you don't know where you don't know of that. Not like that. Because if anything, I'm more for danger and Spice. Because of them in a room all the time. Because you say for the most part of it, for half of the trip you and Spice never did attack. So a danger, anybody fi do nothing, I must danger Spice because of them around them each other PP clock. You understand? So me not understand why you come and fabricate this like is a tech man thing and danger is a girl with us. Come and just come fuck with your man, so. And at that we come round about. The little girl really went glad for the opportunity. Danger went so much into you. Danger sacrificing life for you. Oh man, and my sister cuss and follow too much time because of you. Nobody can tell nothing danger nothing. Nobody can tell danger nothing when it comes for you. Nobody can tell danger not when it comes to you. Enough things me hear back where me say danger beware of Spice because she like mix up and controversy. And everything you tell Spice, she go back go tell the rest of people them and in the group and a cause contention. Spice is not your friend. We not come from town. We not come from Kingston people. We got town and look it. And look it like anybody else. Me never interested for take dancing as no career. Danger when interested for take dancing as a career. Because danger, that was danger goal. My goal was to be a professional athlete. So me never did I take dancing serious. She when I take it serious. That was danger's goal. You get me? Me see me do me video. Me see me do. We give you indicator. You never call we name in that because you never want we get the highlight. You go back again and you do robot wine. And this time you call with him in a robot wine transformer. Spice, you shoot that video there. And you do the video. And me at the dance and my dance. And you block me out of the video. You not put me in the video. You not put me in the video. I'm there Trinidad at the time and I say, Spice, you can't do the video. You say you go shoot the video. You can't do the video without me. Or if you go do it, make sure you get me in it because that would make no sense for no say me are the creator and me do in the video. You understand? You say, yeah man, you go make extreme catch my part when me come. When me come, video shoot, me never in the video. And when me ask Danger, what go down? Oh, me not in the video or oh you not defend me or you not say to the woman say whatever you say. She something, me don't know what was the explanation. But me did vex because she deliberately never want me in the video. She deliberately cut me out of the video. When the video dropped, everybody asked you, oh, tall up no in the video. And I my dance. Oh, me no in the video. You never want to give me no highlight, Spice. You don't like me for morning because you know say me no afraid of you. And you know, say, me no deal with foolishness. You not like nobody. You tear down everybody. Remember, say, me a studio with your area, tear down Shensi and Ramesh. You not like them. Remember, you say, if Shensi pass you out, in a views, in a what you call it? In a followers, your name, your jaws, or your hat. Remember, say me sit down in a studio. Rest in peace to the producer when they did it with. I remember how you teared on Shensia. And you teared on the big belly man. Where you say you not like, I don't know you not like them, you know. A long time you not like them. Some don't know how you did come out and I go and like say you support the people them. Remember you don't like the people them long time. Oh, you talk about black hypocrisy or whatever. Hypocrisy. When you win a bleach, remember say, you come down to Nikki Chromas, come buy a dose of Nikki Chromas strong bleaching, for go up and tour, go bleach and bust up yourself. And you send Danger the picture them. Me see them. Me see them. And you come back for Danger phone and you delete them. Because you never want Danger to send it out or nothing. The way you're insecure. So how you make it look like say you love yourself. You don't love yourself. You don't love yourself and you make it look like people don't love you. You bleach and bust up. Shensi and mad you. Every woman in the female industry will look like say them a make a move and them have quality to reach up there. You not like them. You fight them. You fight every single one of them. As somebody I make nice, no. If somebody say them I go drop a song or put out something, no one it look like it a set a trend or something that happen feet, you run out with a controversy, fi hide where them a do or you say you go drop something. So what are you saying? What you say? You not make no sense.
All I best them when you go beard on a sour pussy and go find on a queen a good man.
You not make no sense. And then she have these people like you can bully people. You cannot bully people. And everybody afraid of your Spice and everybody now go ever come out and talk the truth, whether no one believe it or not. And everybody you can do these things. You like to throw your stone and hide your hand and then come out and cry victim. A your style that. A your style that. You always do that. As when me say, me just attack my side of the story and what me know, you know. And people, remember say she like pay people to do people things. Remember say she like pay people to do people things.
Lord
So no be
Jesus.
aware. So if nothing do it as she.
Jesus.
Yeah, cause she pay people to beat Nikisha already.
Me have to go find it
man already.
Mantigo.
She pay man already. She went one pay man already for beat up Nikisha when she and Nikisha was at it. And when me and she was at it, she make man call Danger phone and people call Danger phone. Danger was pregnant with her second child and tell Danger say if me no come off her name, them a go acid her. And that she do. And she put up Danger number. She put up show Danger DM with Danger number like right at this very moment yesterday on her live, and people are call Danger and a threaten Danger. So as when me tell you say, I saw she play fear dirty game them. And right at this moment people are called Danger from yesterday until now.
Wow, that's not nice. That's not nice, Spice.
Me just try to tell you the things them what she do behind doors. Remember these people have them money. Them now go dirty up them and them now go do nothing. But they instigate things. You understand? Them instigate things. But you see true we not have it. And we are this and we are that and we are liar and we are this and we can't do that. And we can't do everything because I don't have the power because I don't have the money.
1 million likes, people. Everybody tap up the screen. I need 4,000.
I don't have the power because I don't have the money.
Everybody send donuts.
And when we talk, we are wicked and we are evil for because we want to look. We are look at hyper for Spice and we bad mind. Nobody no bad mind like
so the best of them say and they never did a bone candle and a kill goat. I never take me part and them a go on like they did a kill goat.
That's what I'm saying. If you come out and say certain things, then RTU, which everybody are come talk the inside, what them play, which role them play around her, who they were to her, and what they usually do or whatever. And yet still when we talk for the truth, we are wicked and we are liar, and everybody want cordon Spice and this and that. So how comes she true for them, but we are liar?
People, support the live goal. I need 3,000 people to send donut now. And I need you guys to put money in the Cash App, Zelle, and the PayPal over there. Remember, I'm looking 13,000. Don't bother with it. Click on the left-hand corner of your screen. You see my payment method. Please to send money now. Thank you. So Tana,
you call Danger?
Where's she there?
Call her for your next phone. Me did text her say.
Maybe she can't send me.
No, she did I'm probably that too, so tell her if she come. She did a charge her phone.
No,
yes, at the end of the day, that I just see me like 2 cents and peace. When me have to say, oh, me reaching at this and me now go come out. So anybody don't want to see me, me sorry for you know, because me now come out tight. Yeah. So the hype of it all are within. And the whole of we a look hype and I look something.
Danger, where you there? I'm over TikTok. Alright, come over TikTok and type in RT Boss and click on his name. You will see us live because I hear that my live is not showing up. Alright, come now.
Nobody no blood clot business about charting. Nobody care about charting. Nobody now chart nowadays. So on the stay they make buy views, chicken and chart, chicken and all these things where them have to pay for make things look like them are going. The whole of they are hungry and sufferation and kill blood clot with. Nobody now chart. Nobody now chart. Yeah, come talk about charting. Me not care about chart. That not have nothing to do with me. One thing, you know, You can't take my talent from me, you know, and you cannot deny me neither, you know. Say if a chart on our wait pan or views for show somebody whatever
Oi.
respect you want to show them.
Talo, what them need to do
Eh?
is make Spice go put her pussy on the chart. Because every day she have sang on the chart, although she can't find a man. Make she go put her pussy on the chart and stop blood clot fuck with people. Best thing that you know go do, put her pussy on the chart, make she find a man.
Danger, send your request if you are here.
Nobody no want Spice pussy chart to the one that.
Jesus.
Because you have a pussy problem. You have a old problem and a mouth problem. Nobody no stay with you and nobody no want you. Every day you talk about your gum and sing you not no gum. And your gun. You not have no gum. You not have no gum left. Every man come round here, you're insecure. Every man come round here insecure because no man no want you. No man no want to stay with you. Despite remember your mouth stink. And you eat wriggles right through. Because you know your mouth stink and I smell your mouth and your whole thing too. Me not have a whole problem. So every day you come text it for me and I come talk about favor man and man this. No man not have a problem with me. No man not have a problem with me. Any man me take, if me call them back right now and say reach at 2 pint, them a reach at my foot. Me not have a man problem and me not take as much man with Spice taking a fear career because she love one like she a virgin. And she fuck out her young days and end up a fuck out her old days. Yes, so no fuck no drop down for nobody more than she because she a go like she never fuck out herself in her music. Before she know it, during she know it, and after she blood clot know it. Who fuck like she? Who fuck like she? Who take people man like you, lady? Who fuck like you? You don't innocent.
Guys, share this live to Danger for me, please. Hold on there. Danger dep on TikTok, but guys, share this live to Danger for me. It's Queen Danger. Wanna share the live?
If you see you make all Nuffy fuck you, you could even answer when Nuffy come out contact, come out, she fuck you, dad.
People, share the live to Danger for me, please.
Me never want class a girl, you know, but you come and talk about our brother. Yes, our blood clot brother. You fuck out. You don't know. I remember you're a sodomite. You lie. You fuck everybody. You fuck every girl you fuck where you see and where you see. You could fuck me, no? No, nothing to say about me. Because me sure know me never rub no crutches with nobody for me born. You know, say if you know have certain things to tell me, you would have tell me. What you gonna say? One thing me see the whole I don't want to know about. Let me tell you because the whole I don't talk about what my baby father, who my baby father. Me know my baby father and who no go blood clot know him. And me not tell you no who breed myself. And that you know want know and that kill you no.
Talo, share the life to Danger, Talo. RT, she named Queen Danger and I can't find her.
Share it to her. Me share it.
Danger, send a request.
Spice, you're black dirty. You go for love and hip hop and everybody see your dirty ways them. Nobody no grudge you. You are dirty at talk about the woman at talk, a prejudice and at talk about whatever you come a style people. So when you come and talk about me and man and me and this, no prejudice, your prejudice, No style, your style me to move your black and dirty. Me love black people, you know. But you're black and you're dirty and you're black dirty because your heart no good. And guess what no? When me see Thanksgiving, you make me no want yam turkey. Move your blood clot. You favor the turkey. Roast turkey by Louise Bennett. And me leg on me mouth pa you. Danger reach.
What's she there? Me can't. Something not right with the live, yeah. I'm here. Okay, she said I'm here. All right, Danger. So send a request. All right, here I am.
Right. Roast turkey by Louise Bennett.
Danger girl.
What can go so true?
I don't know. So Talo, you done or you go on pause? What you do?
Me a pause, make Danger contact our story and
all right. Danger. You can't hear me?
Bluetooth.
Let me mute this.
No, I think she's supposed to can't hear me. Ah, Jesus, where's she there? Jesus. Send back your request, goodie. People on TikTok, let me tell you something. You see the live goal, they was set 4,000 donuts up there, so me I go want to know if support the live goal, cause me can't do that free dry throat reasoning business, yeah. And you see the payment method over there, so you send everything you wanna have in there, please and thanks, and then stress out a morning. Because the fathers they are not supposed to fuck no man and them something they are there, so we do it. I don't know where Danger gone now.
Bring on.
Danger, come back. Where you there? Donut, me not see no donut, no nobody with the fuckery now. Oh, come in here.
Well, I not wanna talk about me do song for you. Me never do no song for you. Look how much people name calling at the song, and the people them take it up and I come talk about say, oh me this and that and whatever. Me did a lot. Me never make no joke of your situation. Me never make no joke about you. What out in the media me a talk about, and it's the truth. You nearly kill off yourself a day for truth. Cause you want look like Pretty Rebel and TC. You want to look like the doll them, say you nearly kill yourself for look like the doll them, and you come out and still say, I never surgery I do. You're a wicked liar and me at for. And when you still go on the knife and nearly kill out yourself, you say you not do surgery, you not do say that you pump up your pussy, you pump up your body, you pump up your mouth, you pump up all part of you still not stay good. Eh? And I me I want to eat myself. Me love my blood clots every lady as tough as me be. As tough as me be and as turbid as me be, when me put on my clothes, me look 100 times better because no matter how you dress, you still can't make one. The only way you look good is when you Photoshop your picture them, you know. And when photographer take your picture them, you look good. You can't go up on a screen without makeup. You can't go up on a screen without makeup. Eh? You can't come out and show your real face, so. You can't show your real face, so. Show your real face now. Because if you not beat out your face, you can't come on live one day. If you not beat out your face, you can't come on live.
Call up, find out where Danger there. If she a come or what.
See her there. Bright. You don't feel like a uno alone for this.
Danger, where you there? Say, okay.
No more for nothing.
People on TikTok, listen. Answer the request, goodie. I sent you the request. I don't know what's going on. All right, just type something in the comment.
She just type in and see it.
I'm going to send the request to her, but what's going on? All right, hold on. Turn on camera. Danger, put hello in the chat for me. People not stop the typing, make the lady type. All right. See me I send her the request, you know.
Yeah, there she say, hey.
Yes, see me I go send her the request now. Look at your thing, you will see the request.
Me not fi turn my camera. Me have video on my page without makeup. Me go live all the while without
Just click
makeup.
on the thing that I sent you.
You not have to tell me when to turn on my camera. This is not about that.
If you don't see it, you can send me a request. You need to follow me back. Follow me back. Follow me back. And then send the request at the bottom.
Nice now we are, Sham. Nice now we are. Eh? Nobody we nice. Nice now we are. Nice now we are. Nice now we are.
Tell me if you see it. It's a request sent.
Nice
just
now
click on it. Something's supposed to come up in front of you.
But don't bring down people.
My God, what is happening here? All right, you know what? Log out and log back in. This is not right. Oh my God, what is this? Log out and log back in. Come out and type in back RT boss and come back in. God, the devil is a liar. Cause Spice, I watch you want to know what's up. Becky, why you keep sending requests? Wanna stop sending me requests? Me not add nobody up here unless it is danger right now. Our RT boss. Alright, make sure come back in and add her back. Okay, people, it's not in the cash app. No, come on. Danger, look on that. You see that request there?
Danger, this.
Alright, y'all. The devil wants to fight with. Alright, Danger, big up yourself. Listen. We hear the little thing I go on. For the people them who do not know who is this, this was one of Spice dancer, Danger. And when me telling her that she can dance, people, me are telling her that she can dance. She have a talent. Me are telling her, she have a talent at dancing. So, what go on here now is 3 years ago, gonna see she's the person who Spice say fuck her man. This lady here, Danger. But 3 years ago, that's not what Spice was saying. Spice was out here defending her because it was alleged that her baby father raped her. So Spice was defending her. So now, yesterday, no, Spice run out now and no, in the new song, Spice run out now and say she fucked her man. So Danger, you did mind your own business all these years and everything. You didn't remember Spice?
No, me just make them be and do them thing and live in their own world. Me I focus on my thing and myself. Me not have time for people. Cause from me, you know, in and me just forget about you and move on.
Alright, so when you hear the song, how did you feel about this song when you heard the 2085 T?
Well, you know, say, to be honest, me did there. Somewhere me there and somebody has said to me, like, and then everybody start reach out to me and I say, you know, you're very ass dead cow fat. Cause me not follow her, you know, so me don't know nothing about what she do. Only time I see nothing for she come up like if maybe something go viral or you know other people repost it or whatever, me might take a look. But me not live on her page, so me not really updated with everything what I go on. So me now listening and reading between the line because remember you know it's a mind game thing. Everybody had the music. They might try to be smart but name no call. Call name because in idea you know your intention, you know where you're trying to get at, you know what you're trying to say and what you're trying to do. You know what go happen after that. Why you're the fire shot and then you want to shift. You don't know say it go ricochet. So me listening to the song now, the lyric feel like say it lick me because at the end of the day everybody know the story that went viral. You understand? I mean I listen what she say, So I saw God work it out. If she say no me she talk about me take up here and me answer. Because I saw it did figure. You understand? Yeah, because at the end of the day, me I try to make bygones with bygones and I try to make peace and I overlook everything.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
So Danger, hold on there. I want to play the video. Hold on. I want to play that video, yeah.
You know why me get up? Because me not do the live, yeah. Me people are plot and them a scam and them a scheme to bring me down. But here, oh my God, work and all the plan mash up, right? Me not keep me silent because me see someone now say I lie Danger tell. And why she never come out long time come talk. And enough girls out there where I go through the same thing and them afraid to talk because we are the same one where when them come out, come talk, we say a lie. The media use my picture to put on the story, say, my baby father is a raper or whatever it is. Me see it go viral. Me see it on international media. Me see it enough place. But when me see it come up on my phone, cause I don't know how phone stay. Anything when my name come up on the top of the screen. Me keep on say my picture. Me keep on say my name. Me a beg on the media and people and anybody want.
This was 3 years ago, right, Danger?
Yeah.
All right. So the allegations